Well, dear friend, I'm sorry for that. I'm too excited. I have get a great position which I usually sit. Now here is the second part. I'm going to uh, get my full-on turkey out. Well, actually, I don't know whether you have such kind of experience. When you order something, have some meat in the subway, the server, most of them are qualified. They would get that meat slice by slice. So it is, if I order a full-on, it would be 8 slices of turkey meat. But today I met a person who is not qualified. I don't want to name the issue. There may be some racial critics, some kind of shit things. I just want to tell you, she looks not pure. Well, she put the 2 slices together, so there is a 4 big chunk of slice. I politely asked her to divide them, and she said okay, but some kind of unwillingness. Well, it's just fine. I've get my point. I have get the full-on turkey which I want, and here we go. I used the Italian bread today because they look so fresh. They are just out of the oven. Look at that. Look at that. So amazing. See? Fresh. And the bread just amazing. Well, the turkey is at the bottom. I'm sorry. I'm not able to show you guys it's the turkey. It's too much vegetables on the top. I'm sorry. I put some pickles, onions, jalapeno, green pepper, tomato, lettuce on the top because I'm a person. I'm a cop. When I was at home, I always be told by my classmates and friends that I am a cop. Call eats grass, right? I eat grass too. But they also call me beast because I also eat a lot of meat. I apologize, I'm too hungry. When I got my master, I was eating some chips. Alright. Sometimes you would say, Subway don't have ketchup as their regular menu sauce, but they have mustard. But I'm sorry, because I'm not clear with their calorie, but the mustard I bought, they are low calorie. Okay, they are fantastic, right? Alright, huge chunk. Yes, just put them together like this. Alright, guys, I'm going to take a big bite and then I'll watch some videos because many of my subscriptions have come up their new videos. I'm so excited about that. A big bite, right? Alright. Put the letter here. Not too dry. Oh damn, the mustard. I'm sorry for making you guys wait so long because usually I like to be well prepared before I take a huge bite. Here we go. Oh damn. Too much lettuce. We fall apart. Alright. There we go. A huge bite. Right. A huge bite. Whew. Yum, yum. Before you swallow, just take the chips. Oh. combine them together. Amazing. Amazing. Feel.